lost to your dad in a race?
I can't remember ever, honestly.
Well, today's gonna be the first time then.
Yeah, we'll see.
Hello everybody, my name is Alex with Hennessey Performance. We're on the Pennzoil Proving Ground test track. I'm with Karsten Mundt, and he has just purchased this brand new Audi RSQ8. What do you think about this amazing vehicle so far?
It's amazing. It's a fantastic machine of German engineering. Very nice in the interior, great power, so just needs to get on the German Autobahn or the racetrack here.
Yes, well, sure enough, we're on the racetrack. We're gonna race it against a stock Tahoe.
Come on. It's an Audi SUV. I'm gonna smoke the tires off that thing.
We're in a detuned Urus, essentially. Very, very similar, pretty much the exact same, just different styling. With a little bit of modifications, the RSQ8 essentially becomes the performance of the Urus, and we're gonna experience the stock form of it today. The Tahoe is stock, like I mentioned, and unfortunately it's going to be staying that way. We were looking forward to tuning that, but as of right now we're not able to. But let's go ahead and get into this race. We're going to do it from a dig a couple of times and just see how it does. So let's get into it.
So Carl, we're going to go off your movement, so I'm going to give you a big jump.
Racing my pops. No way he's going to win. There's no way. None whatsoever. Here we go.
Bye-bye.
What? Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no.
Honestly, it's actually more impressive than I would have thought. I mean, I thought we were going to beat you by a good amount, but that was bus length.
That was insane. The thing is so fast.
They really do handle like a sports car. This thing is unbelievable around the corner.
Yeah.
So Carl, back up as far as you can on that pavement. Try and be at like 30 miles per hour at the cone.
10-4. I'm ready when you are.
All right, I'm ready. Go ahead. In an SUV, we're hitting 120 from a dead stop. That's crazy.
That was a little bit closer. Give me like a football field head start and I might pull it off. They do have some fancy launch control stuff over there, but we don't need this. We got American muscle under this hood. We're gonna smoke the tires off this and smoke that thing. They don't even know what's coming. They have no idea. I'm just gonna, you know? And then all I'm gonna do is look in my rearview mirror.